light. Oh, I got my. Ooh. This going on my vlog. Oh no. What happened? Oh Lord. Oh shoot. Okay, can you finish my lotion for me? Oh no. Look at all this. Look at all this. Oh no. Look how ratchet my school is. That's how ratchet my school is.
Guys, I'm the winner. You really said it to me.
How ratchet my school is, part 2. Ratchet. Blessing the bottle. For the vlog.
This is an
How do we hear it?
Oh, it's hot.
Who are you recording?
Okay, Savina, why are you like this? Why are you skin like that?
No. I pull out lotion. I said, let me put some lotion. She said, is that cheap?
No, I said, is that one from Walmart? No. Girl, you can never have too many iced teas. Arizona iced teas. I got 10 of them. Cause girl. How you gonna ruin my shot like that? Anyways. Yes, girl. This girl making me, well, not ditch third period, but not go to third period. No, I didn't. Girl, but I got a pass. Look at, I got a pass.
She wants me to put this poster.
Cause she didn't finish it. We can revive it. That's the thing. We can look at this is mine, right? All cute. This is hers. I'm telling her she can revive this.
Wrap it up. Let's
Oh
go.
my.
Look at this. Look at what I'm doing to myself.
You know what?
This is how bad I want to win homecoming, okay?
Look at me. I'm the one doing everything for you.
She just born like that. She didn't even get paint on her. That's just dirt.
Girl, bye. You know what? Ah! My highlight. I really think you got my highlight.
It's still there.
Okay. And my eyebrows too?
Wait, can you get mine though? Look at mine.
Girl, bye. No, you don't deserve to be in this dang vlog. Oh my god. Where? Where? You look dry.
What's going on?
Look at that highlight, girl. I got made fun of today for my highlight.
It's okay, you still find me. It's fine.
Thanks.
This for your vlog too.
Yeah.
Hi, girl.
Can you?
Why are you like this, Becca?
Can you?
Oh.
The rainbow. Go get the rainbow, you Irish person.
I need to go get the goat.
Bye. My mama coming in clutch. Subway. Stupid ass school.
Yes, God, yes! Kill her! Give her the Holy Spirit, God! Give her the Holy Spirit, God! Yes! God!
Wait. Preach to the vlog. Preach to the vlog.
Oh, no.
Oh no! We gonna pray over it first. Hallelujah! Thank you, Jesus! The blood of Jesus! Hallelujah! Get her, Jesus! Get her! We've all been saved by Jesus.
If any demon comes our way, God is always there. Nothing he can't do. There was absolutely nothing he can't do. He was on that court with us today when he thought we couldn't do it.
Amen.
God is good!
God is good. Girl, say hey to the vlog.
Hey vlog, it's me again in every vlog.
say hey, log.
Chocolate free.
I don't like this side. I don't like her like that. Upside down.
Her face.
Anyways. Bye. Ew.
What?
Here's my my IB English partner that doesn't do any of his work. You just got my face.
Well, I'm sorry, did I ruin your $50,000 makeup?
He's also a little bitch too. Daniel.
I'm sweating.
Making cute posters for the squad. That's me.
It's actually a thingy or whatever.
Really?
Brianna.
It's like I sweat more than an average person.
Yeah.
Like even you won't even do warm-ups yet. Mine
Becca's getting there somewhere.
I watched a true
Somewhat.
life story on MTV, and it was this guy who had
Krista's.
but she just accepted it.
Are you telling me draw this?
More to go, more to go. Girl, chill out.
Draw a forehead on
That was so awkward. Mine looks so cute. Except for the 11. Whatever.
Okay.
It'll do.
Mic drop.
Cute.
Ugly.
Cute. Ugly. Cute. Just kidding, Brie. You're so cute.
See what I mean?
Oh, just kidding. Brie's cute.
Check out for the blog.
Tab's vlog. Yes. Yes.
Taught you so well.
Girl. Look at this booth.
Little
Poster.
Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm not even done.
Okay. Okay. Chris is cute. That's what I should have done. I should have did the numbers first and then outlined it. Oh well.
You better get it, Grandma.
4:30. I want you to tell me. 4:30.
Get it, girl. Work it, work it, work it.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Okay, so ew, that was but today there's little kids out there. They need to shh while I'm recording. But today I'm going to the volleyball game. Girl, my volleyball game is on Monday. I'm too hyped for it. It's against our rival, so you know. But anyways, I'm going to the football game. I was trying to think of like who it was against, but I mean, I don't really keep up with my football team. I just go to socialize, honestly, because who even watches the game? Am I right? Am I right? No, I'm just kidding. I watch the game sometimes. Depends on who we're playing, but yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I will vlog at the game. Look at this hoe. Look at this hoe. The lighting good. Ooh. Wait, my hair's Okay, cut from the vlog. Cut from the vlog. We used to roll at the rink. We used to roll at the rink. We left the football game because it was kind of boring, so we're at the wheelhouse now. How much does it cost? Ooh! Y'all need to fix your brakes. It's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me.
Watch me, oh, watch me, watch me, oh, watch me, watch me, oh, watch me, oh.
She's saying I won't ask for a free taco.
Ask for a free taco, girl.
Can you hook us up with a free taco?
You're gonna have a new life. You're gonna be a new person.
Ah!
You hooked it up with the
Why
lemonade,
you got
though.
two juices though?
Maybe I like
Two lemonades.
Maybe I was white though.
Oh, this is going on the YouTube.
Oh, cut that out.
Freaking, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. James
over there making.
Dude, I don't know what the... Oh, my mom just texted me. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on. My eyebrows are fleeking, you know.